Replacing your Dodge Charger key fob battery from 2011 to 2023 is straightforward. The most common issue is a dead CR2032 battery. To open the fob, insert a flat screwdriver or coin into the slot where the key blade sits. Gently pry it open, noting that stuck clips are common. Once open, remove the old battery, making sure to observe the correct polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery. Or use CR2450 for some 2019-2023 models. Clean any corrosion with isopropyl alcohol before reassembly. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's fully closed to avoid water damage. Use a high-quality battery like Panasonic for best results, especially in cold climates. If your remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogramming is usually the fix. This common issue occurs because the key fob loses synchronization with the vehicle. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. This powers the vehicle's electrical system. Press any button on the key fob, lock, unlock, or panic. This sends a signal to the vehicle. Turn the ignition off completely. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times. This should resync the key fob with your charger. If the remote still doesn't work, especially on newer models, check your vehicle's infotainment system for wireless reprogramming options through the settings menu. For older models, double-check that the battery is installed correctly with the positive side up and use a high-quality battery. Cheap batteries can cause immediate issues. As a last resort, contact a dealership for professional reprogramming. However, this simple DIY reprogramming method resolves the majority of post-battery replacement remote issues.